Hello, so welcome to another video. So for today I'll be teaching you guys how to build the Advanced Blog Writer 2.0, which is really just the advanced version of the Advanced Blog Writer that we made a few videos ago. So before I do get into the tutorial proper, if you do want to download a Notion and PDF version of this tutorial instead, I did link that down below in the description box. And if you're not yet familiar with Airops, which is the platform I use when building my AI-powered apps, I also linked down one of their introduction videos in the description box for you to check out. So let's just get right into it. So for this one, you will need to have built the Advanced Blog Writer before, because we are just going to duplicate that and add a new app to it to make it even more advanced. So let's duplicate this app. So if you haven't built this one yet, I will link that down in the description box as well, so you can check that out, see how I built this one before getting into this video. But honestly, if you've already built a Google search app, a web scrape app, and an image generator app, all you need to do is connect that to the agent and add these variable inputs. So this is what the initial Advanced Blog Writer looked like. But to make it even more advanced, I will be adding a new app that I made before. There is no tutorial for this, but if you do have questions about how I built this one, feel free to comment or message me or send me a DM on Instagram. Use this app to find relevant keywords for the blog. Okay. So preset inputs to the target keyword here. Oh, okay. So for us, so let's save changes here first. We do need to add one more field here, short text, which is the target keyword. Yes, required save field. So we are going to use that in the preset inputs of our keyword expert tool. So there you go. So we're all good here. Basically, the keyword expert is a workflow that has an API step which links it to some kind of database. I'm not sure if that's the right word to describe it, but it's a website where you can find relevant or trending keywords. So basically, this is a workflow that's linked to that website. It runs a search in that website using this target keyword that the user inputs and finds related keywords to this target keyword that are trending or relevant, and then that's what it returns as the output for this tool. So now all we need to do is just tweak our workflow here. So we are just going to tweak that a bit. So this is really pretty much similar to the system prompt in our initial Advanced Blog Writer. I did just add like an additional step here to create or find relevant keywords for the blog. So initially it was just 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first step it does is it performs a Google search on the user's topic of interest using this Google search tool. Next, uses the web script to visit the web pages to get context, and then use the target keyword, which is the input here, as the input for the keyword expert here, and find relevant keywords used for the blog. After doing that, after getting an in-depth understanding on the idea, topic, and keywords, write a blog article and link to your sources. And then the last step is to generate a cover image using this image generator. Okay. So yep, save changes, save draft. And then let's publish our app. So instead of testing it here, let's run this app in our workspace. So this isn't really necessary, so I won't test this out because it might take long. Let's just test out whether the keyword expert will work. So let's say our target keyword is artificial intelligence. Okay, so it's using the Google search and web scrape. Next is using the keyword expert. Okay, perfect. Now I think it's just the cover image that it forgot to run. Let's say I think you forgot to run the image generator tool. So let's just check out the cover image. The cover image link won't open. Please give me a link to the blog cover image. Okay. Nice. So this is gonna take a while. Also, while we're waiting for this to load, if you want your cover image to be more detailed, or be more descriptive about how the cover image looks, because right now the image generator really just takes in like your input here, like what you want the blog to be about as the input for generating the image. So if you want it to be a more detailed image, you could add an input variable here where you could add a description of the exact image that you want. So that's possible too. So okay, so this is the image that it generated. Good enough. Pretty good. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much how the Advanced Blog Writer 2.0 works. This is a more advanced because now it's utilizing keywords when writing the blog, and it's not just writing the blog about whatever information it's taking from the sources from the Google search and web scrape. So now it's using relevant keywords, which can potentially help your blog have a higher SEO ranking. So yeah, so I hope this helps you write more effective and higher ranking blogs. Again, if you do want a downloadable reference for this tutorial, I did link that down below in the description box. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a fun time building.